let's do this. We're gonna do this a time lapse. Get ready to dance. Transformation begins. Or maybe I should do a tutorial. What do you guys think? And then I can speed up parts that are not relevant. Alright, let's start. So as you can see, I look so old. I probably should wear a wig. Normally I get rid of all my hair, but maybe later today. Right now I'm just getting ready because I have to send a package. The Christmas gift, it's coming late. But it's coming. So what I do sometimes is tutorial. These sponges that get hard and you wet them. And then hard anymore, they get soft. Sometimes, especially, I took a shower last night, but I'm not going to take a shower right now because I need to save time. All that buildup of the 20,000 layers of skincare that I just put on my face last night, kind of getting rid of that, Sometimes it looks like your skin is peeling, but it's actually all the skincare that you put on. Not everything gets absorbed. I can get rid of that. And then I'm going to do a micellar water, which I've been loving. I might feature it in my favorite product of 2020, which is the video that I've been thinking about for a month now. I haven't filmed. I haven't even selected. I mentally selected. Oh my god, water. I mentally selected the products, but I have to actually grab them and film the video. Oh, sorry. Oh, yes! Oh my goodness, I can't. Are you a chronic asthma sufferer like me? It fucking sucks. Anyways, get rid of this. And then we're going to micellar water. Get the crap out of it. Have these that I got at BJ's. The Berkeley Jensen brand they have. I hate them, but I bought a big box, so I'm using like 20 a day. So I can, seriously. I like the ones from Ulta brand, or the Sephora brand ones. What you see is a little bit of skincare. I have like tons more here. And without glasses, it's hard to find things. Who else is also blind? I need to put these back on. Hello. Here. When you're blind and things are kind of clear, they blend with everything else, and you clearly cannot see. I cannot wait to make the video, which I'm titling it, I finally got laser surgery. Maybe 2021? Is that the year? Let's see. So this micellar water has cucumber rose, but it's very faint, like very light. So if you are having, like today I have a hypersensitivity day, you're gonna go over, and I like that you can do this over the eye and it's not like a big deal. Hopefully I'm in frame. If I'm not in frame, I'm sorry, there's a new angle. I'm surprised that it's working because I'm probably going to use this angle a lot, so get used to it. I bought this tripod that with the legs that bend, not the Gorilla one because that one was too expensive. So I got this Black Friday deal on Amazon. It's the UB size tripods. I got their I think I have they're actually like the big tripod. This little one with like the foaming bendy legs. Pretty cool. By the way, I'm filming using my iPhone 12 Pro Max. The camera is superb. I record in 4K, 60 frames per second. It eats the memory fast, but you gotta create quality visuals. So maybe 10 years from now when we have 8K or 16K, whatever it is that we have, it's already 2K. So we can actually enjoy, right? And not kind of like, what's that blurry thing? Anyways, with the micellar water, and I'm going to do toner. We grab another one of these that we want to finish. Maybe I'll do toner all day and finish them all. Just kidding. And I've been using this toner from Chorus. This is the older packaging. Let me go get the new packaging. I have backups. Again. Silly me. I forgot these. I'll put contacts on soon and I'm going to transform. So here is the new packaging. It's a clear, cuter, I guess. Now the light can come through and damage the product faster. You know how it goes. $6.99 at Marshall's. Well, Marshall's. I haven't been to Marshall's. I was Marshall's. I was going to do a video about holiday stuff, and then there was crap, and then I wasn't sure about to post it. Maybe I'll do like holiday fails or something like that. Who knows? Marshalls can get you in trouble, especially if you know the brands and you know what you're looking for. Current's a very underrated brand. I know I'm opening this. Oh, let's use a brand new one because why not? I deserve it. The other one's almost done anyways. I use this daily. So, to amplify the exfoliation, this is like pomegranate, there's salicylic in it. I do a liquid exfoliate. So what I'm doing today is sending a package to my mom, and she wants magnetic lashes, so I'm going to Ulta, so I'm getting ready for it. And this is like the skincare part of it. And this is going to be in my Alexito YouTube channel. So if you want to see more about this, how I do my skincare, please you can subscribe, but please watch and like the video about getting ready to buy magnetic lashes at Ulta. I don't know if I'm gonna be titling like that, but who knows. So, toner, big toner. As you can see, I'm suffering from adult acne at the moment because I had this wonderful idea of sleeping with a hat and lowering the heat because, you know, I wanted to save money. The consequence of being cheap, I got adult acne. Granted that I used the hat for like a month without washing it, but it's a lot better. I love the scaring. If I feel it is still bumpy, so there's still like trapped stuff in those layers, you know, gunk. I'm documenting what I've been using. So I'm gonna do an adult acne video, and I'm going to do a maybe post acne mark video about it and what you can use for that. Right now it's pretty much under control. I have like 2 active zones here that can break out any moment, and like here and here. So compared to the whole forehead and areas here, which you can see the mark here, luckily it didn't transfer all the way down a little bit, but that I was able to control really fast. I'm super excited about all my channels. You're gonna be seeing this in 2021, the end of December 28th. Let's see. Yeah, Monday the 28th. Okay, so the toner, and I just wanted this to be quick and easy. I'm going to do a little bit of hyaluronic. I'm going to use one of the Ordinary with Alpha or Butane here because I have those dark spots. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One on the nose, one on the chin, and you're like, what's this problem? It's heavy shoes. I found these at Marshalls too, $5.99. Natio, whatever, from Australia, made in Australia. Rose water hydration. By the way, if you want videos in Spanish, which I'm planning to do, let me know down below. Rose water drench mineral face mist. This has rose water and hyaluronic, deliver vital natural moisture for lasting hydration. Can be used over makeup, anywhere, anytime. So what I do is with hyaluronic, I like to activate the hyaluronic. Why wait for hyaluronic to draw moisture from the air when you can give it right away, right? And you can plump and you can infuse your face. And for your lips, this area loses volume, mnemonic agent. And the rest down the neck, behind the ear, back, my baldness. I promise I'll try to look decent. I'm just starting this video so you can see me getting better and better. Okay, so I'm back. Serum. Again, you know, blindness is a bitch. What do you want? I'm gonna go very basic. I'm gonna start. Okay, this is my little motion sensor. You should put, what is it? You should put surveillance cameras, and you have an app that tells you what's going on. Let's use this. Discontinued HRS from Kate Somerville. There's a new line from Kate coming. It's supposed to be top secret, but whatever. It's coming soon enough. Coming out soon enough. And there's a replacement for this. Coming. Forgot the name of it. Stay tuned for that. Like 6 bombs. I'm in a rush, so I don't have time to do crazy things. I cannot microneedle. I cannot do a machine that vibrates and all that stuff. Maybe in another video, we'll go nuts. I think skincare in my hair. I'm surprised my hair hasn't grown back. Obviously, it's genetic. With all the skincare that my scalp receives, let's find more stuff. This all improvised. You know, I'm going with the flow, so don't come for me. Okay. What are you you. For me. Okay, so I have this moisturizer from The Ordinary that is like very basic. Oh, it's right in front of me. The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor. So, you know, it's cheap and it's right to the point. It moisturizes. Take a little bit here, take a little bit here, take a little bit here. Let's distribute. And I'm gonna put this on the screen because I don't need these marks to get darker. It's SPF 30 from MD Solar Sciences. It's all man-made synthetic sunscreen. Distribute, 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 distribute. And then you go nuts, you got nuts, you got nuts. I forget the ears, behind your neck, you age behind. You don't see it, but then people see you from behind. It's like, who's that woman? And they look at you from like, who's that baby? And then people get confused, you know, causes all kinds of mental issues. Don't do that. So, beautiful. Like I said, hopefully I'm in frame because I'm gonna watch this and I'm probably going to hate it, but it's going up YouTube. Oh, see YouTube and YouTube. I see this nasty little heart thing. Hate that. I'm down the drain. I'm down the drain. Okay, this camera is going nuts. Hopefully it's not anything important. He's like, oh, check the camera from my phone. Oh, well, that's enough. I'm gonna list my technique for sunscreen. People are like, how do I get coverage? Distribute, 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 distribute. Evenly. Is it perfect? No. Is it better than rubbing immediately? Probably yes. You rub it vigorously, you know. Like you're in a rush, but you know, you pretend you're not. I should be looking at the camera, right? Camera 101, look at the freaking lens. Should that be filming 101? Should that be acting 101? Am I acting? It's up to you to decide. I'm not crazy, by the way. And then you're kind of ready. Use the eye stuff. So much, so much, so much. For your hands. I don't have a Twitter. Eye. Not yet, because I'm gonna put contact lenses now. It's part of the beauty process, so I'm gonna take this off because I'm sweating already. So now that I'm not cheap anymore, I was talking about adult acne. Now that I'm not cheap anymore, bumps everywhere. Now that I'm not cheap anymore, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I have the heat on 68. So wear anything indoors. Like I feel like I'm going to die. It's funny how you adapt. I'm gonna try to go ahead and wash my hands again. Very moisturizing. I think this is going to transfer to my contacts. I rinse my hands really well. If this video shows anything weird, I'm blurring it so you know. First time attempting this angle. This bathroom is a mess. I don't have any extra lighting, you know. These LED lights. New beginnings. Now, I need to find the contacts, which I moved because I kind of organized this. I have this other setup that is not in frame here with more skincare. This is what I use. Normally what I do is I select my skincare routine that I'm going to be using for like the week. And I transfer it here. And over there, those are like currently open products that I'm still using. But normally I plan and then I end up using everything. So hopefully I can do a video about my weekly routines. Oh, that would be nice. Weekly, what do you guys think? Maybe I should do a weekly video about my like weekly routine and how I change it up. And then every week can be a different routine with different products. And I can review them. We'll see. But I need to get this under control. So maybe I'm gonna have a week for acne, a week for acne scars, a week for hyperpigmentation, and then take it from there. And then my skin's probably gonna be so dry by then, so it's gonna have to be like a week for a dry skin. Those are the Desio lenses. Love them. I should have a link for this. I don't have any affiliates yet. Working on it. If you see a link, maybe I managed to get inspired to get all my affiliates, you know. Meow. And this is me. Hashtag wonderful. Hashtag and you're gonna cry, and then you're gonna let the hyaluronic acid absorb that because you're not wasting any hydration. And I need eye cream, right? So this is my go-to, the Case Somerville Wrinkle Wire. A little bit here, a little bit there. I think about this product as a booster, you know, hyaluronic acid, you get some marine ingredients and some other ingredients to work with dark circles, puffiness. So this is like your base, and my ear is buzzing. It's so weird, but it's almost like, oh, there's like a silence, and then there is a, okay, it's going back to normal. So remember that's like a very high pitch. I have tinnitus. I have different frequencies in my ears at all times. Kind of sound, you know, those bowls with chords that you chant with them. I kind of sounded like that, but it was like a silence first, and then I heard that noise, and then it kind of feels like peaceful now. I don't know, it's weird. One of the other high pitched, this is my really high pitched ear. It's going up, and this one, no, this one's quiet. So kind of quiet at the front. So maybe there's some pressure got released from my ears. Who knows? My under eye is hydrated, and my tried and true ultimate favorite eye cream. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. It's a wrinkle eye. I got the Black Friday deal, so I got this for how much? I think it was $28, $200 value, something like that. I forgot. $38, I think it was. I don't remember. It was 81% off, so 29, something like that. I don't know. So it was $19.19 and $38. Yeah, $38 for a, what is this? 1 ounce. So it's double the size of the wrinkle eye. This eye cream changed my life 13 years ago. Over 13 years ago. And to this day, it's my favorite. I go back and forth. I haven't used it consistently for like 2 years now. I got it almost a month ago. Like a month ago I got it. So I've been using it again for like a month. All the time, I want to say a good 75% of the time I've been using it. And my eyes have improved a little bit. This is more like a long-term product, so I would give it a good 3 months for best repair. And what I like about it is, like, I can put it in my eyeball and it doesn't bother me. It doesn't irritate me. I have very sensitive eyes. Plus, it freaking works. As you see, I put it on my lips too. I'm using this mini eye from Kate. We worked together in the past, so we have a past, so you know, guys know that I still have stuff. And I'm developing these lines here because I'm getting old. The gloss and firmness. I'm trying to use this mild retinol firming for this area. And so far it's not over drying the area, which is important. Alright, so we do another spritz of rose water. And we're gonna end this. It's probably like a million minutes now. And I have to pick and choose which side's going to the Alexito vlog and which side's going to Alexito TV, because, you know, you gotta mix both. That's why you have channels, 3 channels, maybe 4 or 5. Later on, who knows? Hopefully I'll have a crew by the end of the year. Thank you so much. This is my skincare, getting ready to buy magnetic lashes at Ulta. Stay tuned, there's more content coming. Ciao.